Hi everybody, and welcome to TFL Off-Road.
This thing is just eating it up.
This is our new channel trailer, and first things first, I have to say thank you for getting us to 50,000 subscribers. To all of you viewers out there, keep on watching the videos because your views and likes power this channel, and of course, your comments. Here on TFL Off-Road, we want to bring you everything to do with the off-road industry, from side-by-sides to PWCs to dirt bikes, ATVs, and of course pickup trucks and SUVs as well. So make sure you stay right here on the channel and keep coming back as we push for the 100,000 subscriber mark and keep on bringing you all kinds of awesome content.
And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to all the TFL channels. TFL Off-Road is just one in a multi-channel network. We have TFL Car, TFL Truck, TFL Now for breaking news, live shows, and auto show coverage, and then TFL Classics. For the full experience, you gotta subscribe to all 5.
I've got a trip next week to go test some new Sea-Doo models. I've got a Honda Talon coming soon. The guys in Colorado are cooking up some tests. We have all kinds of great content, so don't go anywhere as we're gonna keep on bringing you the latest news, views, and real-world reviews. See you guys.